Now we know how to use Edge and how to create layouts by using Edge. In this lesson, we will use a theme which we can download from anywhere, and we will convert that HTML CSS based theme into Edge. So here is my theme file. Here you can see the theme which we will going to implement in Adonis. It contains images, CSS, fonts, as well as JavaScript files. So here it's a single page template. That's why there is only one HTML file at the root level, which is called index.html. Now we will divide the code into fewer parts. Let's copy everything from top to the starting body tag. And we will place it inside our layout file app.edge. Now let's copy the navigation part and let's place it inside our layout file app.edge. Once the navigation is done, after that everything till the footer will go inside our home page. So here we have replaced everything inside the section content and pasted whatever we got from our index.html file. Okay, so I missed these things, these sections. So let's copy that too. And let's place it over our home.edge file till the footer. And let's paste it. Okay, so the last thing left inside the index.html file is the footer along with the scripts and the closing HTML as well as the body tag. And we will place that inside our app.edge file. Now we have everything we need from the index.html file. However, the file inside the app.edge is a bit too long, so we can just divide it into two parts, header and footer. So let's create two files inside our layout folder, header.edge and footer.edge. And now we will copy the navigation part from app.edge and paste it over our header.edge file. And let's cut the footer and paste it over the footer.edge file. Now, in order to access the content inside header and footer.edge files, we need to use the include . So first, let's include the header.edge. It's inside the layouts folder, so layout/header. And after that, let's include layouts/footer. And in between the header and footer, we will create a section, content. So everything inside a view will just be inside this section between the header and footer. Now let's save it and we can get rid of this file. So here is our home.edge, which contains everything that we need now. So let's get back to the browser and give it a try. So here is the output. We're getting everything except the styling as well as the images, because we have not linked it properly. So let's get back to our editor and fix the broken links. Let's start with the CSS path. So this file contains CSS, images, fonts, as well as some scripts. But we have not copied that files or assets from the template directory to our public path. So let's copy all these 4 folders and we will place it inside the public. Now once you have copied all the folders, let's give it a refresh. And here you can see the images, CSS, fonts, and scripts all are working perfectly. So this is how we can use Edge along with CSS, JavaScript, and images to create the layout of our choice.